Okay, good morning Duamans. We are here at the very sunny Ayala Vermosa Sports Hub. We will do a race course preview of the upcoming Duaman Sprint Duathlon 2024. By the way, this is the first leg of the inaugural Duaman Triple Crown. Yan, meron na tayong Triple Crown kasi ang dami nagsasabi yung mga duathletes, sir, wala ba kaming parang tri-series na swim, bike, run? Hindi naman kami masyadong lumalangoy or hindi kami marunong lumangoy. Eto na, for this year 2024, gagawa na tayo ng para sa inyo lang. Okay, syempre may enjoy din siya ng tri-series, ng mga tri-series participants na mahilig sa duathlon. So you will not just get one Duaman, but you will get 3 Duaman duathlons this year. So this is the first leg, the Duaman Sprint, and then the full distance, which is part of the SBR Tri-Series, and then yung pinaka isa pang binabalik namin this year, the Duaman X2. Duaman X2, ginawa namin siya way back 2014, tapos hindi na namin inulit. Why X2? Because it's twice the distance of the full distance. Ayun, diba? Pero yung Duaman Sprint, ang dami kasi nagtatanong, ba't tinawag namin siya OG? That's because yan yung original distance nung very first Duaman Duathlon sa Nuvali pa, way back in 2013 when we launched the SBR Tri-Series. And so yung distance niya, 3km run, 20km bike, and then 3km run. Wala pang full Enlight nun. Isa lang distance for all, then mass start. Saya, dami sumali din. Pero so ang daming, actually miss din namin siya. So we figured ang sarap gawin trifecta ng Duaman, diba? Gawin na, tawagin namin Triple Crown. And then yun uli yung magiging distance niya. Isa lang muna, mass start. And then we will have leg 2, which is the full distance, part of the Tri-Series. Meron na siyang full Enlight. And then the X2 na, which will also have shorter distances. So that's it. Start na tayo sa race course preview. We will do a complete race course preview of the entire race course. So wala na kayo iisipin, just watch the video. So pagdating nyo, parang na-visualize nyo na rin. So that's it, enjoy. Let's go. Yan, so dito magi-start yung race. If you'll notice, so dyan yung triathlon exit. Kita ba yung ko? Yan, triathlon exit tuloy. Yung run course exit natin. So if you move the camera here, yan, dito yung start ng race. And then dun din tayo mag-finish. Mamaya explain kaya. Okay? So start muna tayo sa run course. One take lang to. So gawin natin yan. Dito muna tayo. Yan. So U-turn. Okay, start. Dito start natin. So 6 o'clock, done start. It's gonna be a mass start. So start na, diretso lang. For run number 1, it is gonna be a 3km run. Short, sweet, and very fast. So advice lang namin, there will be multiple aid station with a lot of ice, water, and hydration. Vitargo will also be there, so please take advantage of it. Mabilis lang naman yung race, pero syempre we want everyone to finish. So dito, straight lang from the start. You will turn right here. Of course, sa race course preview natin, hindi tayo pwede mag-counterflow. So, pero there will be sections during the race na papasok kayo sa kabilang side ng kalsada. So, turn right. May short uphill doon. And then, once you go up there, medyo, ano ba tawag natin dito? Medyo panayat naman yung front course natin. And thankfully, may puno. So, kahit pa paano shaded. Straight. Diretso lang. Ayan, so pagdating nyo dito, medyo may slight uphill. Hindi naman siya considered as a uphill. Uphill pa rin. So just go straight. Lampas ng marathon drive, I think, kung tama ako sa tapos you will make a U-turn here. Make sure may aid station tayo dito. Make sure to hydrate. And ubusin nyo yung ilalagay namin doon kasi wala na kaming paggagamitan doon, sayang lang. Ayan. Turn back. By the way, except for the bike, the run, both runs are one loop only. Okay. Ang dali lang. But ang dami nagtatanong pala, ba't pala OG? Kasi yung race distance na to, 3K run, tas 20K bike, 3K run. This is the first ever race distance nung very first na Duaman Duathlon. Way back. Super tagal na. 10 years na pala to. 10 years plus. Sa Novali pa yun. Parang back then wala naman kaming full Enlight. We only had one distance for all. So go straight. Turn right here. Yeah. Straight. By the way, this is yung car sharing lane with Vermosa. So this lane will be used. Itong dinadaanan natin ngayon, this lane will be used by cars. Doon tayo sa kapila. So pagdating nyo dito, ito na yung U-turn spot. Stop lang tayo. So this is the U-turn corner. Ayan. Kung nakikita nyo, that one, dito lang lipat natin. Dito kayo mag-U-turn. Yan, pabalik. So syempre nakakotse tayo, hindi tayo makaka-U-turn dyan. Diretso lang tayo. Ignore nyo na itong part ng video na to. So gawa tayo ng magic, cut natin. Ito yung U-turn point, dyan tayo galing kanina. So ito yung U-turn section ng run. Okay, second U-turn nya. Tapos may aid station ulit dito. Tapos go straight na, head back to the bike course for the bike. So go straight. Straight. When you get to this point, medyo laya ka na kasi it's all downhill from here. Ito na yung fun part. Tawid ka dito. Okay, so ito yung interesting part. When you get to this section, dito kayo papasok ng transition. You see that? Concrete part with the bollards. And dyan kayo papasok on the way to transition. Saan yung transition area? Transition area will be there at the parking lot. Okay? So, diretso muna tayo. Pero yung finish line pala, nandyan. Okay? So, mangyayari, if you're heading to the bike, for the bike, pasok ka muna dito. Balik. Pero sa run number 2, since same lang naman yung run course, pagka instead of patapos ka na, instead of turning left, you will go straight to the finish line. Explain natin yan mamaya. So ito na. Let's go straight. Tabi tayo ulit. Okay. You see that part right there? Diyan kayo mag-exit ng transition, and that part will be the mount and dismount area. Okay, so punta na tayo sa bike. Let's go. So yung bike course is a 20 kilometer 2-loop bike course. Kamusta siya? Medyo nasimot natin yung kalsada lang Vermosa. So rolling hills, pwede naman. Pero it's a good fun course. Good fun, fast. And pwede ba natin siyang tawaging flat? flat naman, banayan. By the way, there will be no aid stations on the bike, so make sure to bring enough hydration, okay? 1 or 2 water bottles usually enough na yan. So pagdating nyo dito, turn right. Tapos isang mahabang diretso. Let's go straight. By the way, ang finish time natin siguro mag-average mga 3 hours. 3 hours, mahaba na yun. Tapos yun na yung race by then. So 6 o'clock, 7, 8, 9, yan. Tapos na lahat. So awarding natin will be at 9:30. Enough na yan. By the way, still haven't signed up for the club championship. Register your team na para lagyan na makakuha na kayo ng points sa first leg. So when you get to this part, napapansin nyo medyo konting uphill na. Ito na yung medyo mas totodo pa ng konti. Sakto lang, konting steep section, pero masaya naman dyan. Pagbabalik, downhill naman siya, diba? So the bike course will go straight all the way to the very end. Medyo naubos natin yung kalsada ni Vermosa. So 20 kilometers. If you notice, some races here yung bike course nila 15 lang, pero we really wanted to hit the original distance talaga. So in 2013, yun yung pinaka first na SBR Tri Series na launch natin, yung Aquaman, Duoman and Triman. Ito yung very first distance, pinaka-una nating Duoman. 3K run, 20K bike, tapos 3K run ulit. So ano mas mahirap, yung Nuvali ba or Vermosa? Actually same lang, parehas lang, kasi you cannot say din naman na yung Nuvali flat. Meron din siyang mga uphill course. Remember, kung familiar kayo sa Nuvali, after the guardhouse, diba, papunta sa Rotonda in Miriam College, yun, uphill yun. Pero ang maganda nga doon, once you get to that part, pag nalampasan nyo, downhill na naman. So may reward din. So straight lang all the way to the very end. Siguro gawin na namin to bawat gawin na natin tradition ng SBR, di ba? Para may race course preview. Yung iba ina-upload yung GPX, di ba? Tapos iba pa gawa sa inyo. Pwede nyo naman gawin yun, pero ito iba yung video eh. Parang feeling namin nakatulong talaga sa maraming athletes, especially last year when we started doing it. Yan, so straight. U-turn here. Kasi ito na yung masarap ng part pag naka-U-turn ka na, pababa na. Pero bago ka dun sa fun part, kanan ka muna dito, where you will get a few more kilometers, kasi kukulangin eh. Sarap sana kung maka 1 loop 40k tayo dito. Dream venue na. Just go straight here. And then you will U-turn after the guardhouse. Yan dyan, U-turn ka na. Dito natin lalagay U-turn. Pero tayo syempre dito na lang. Si Manong wala na yan, truck na yan, wala yan sa race day. So go straight, you will head back to the main road. Turn right. The course will be properly marked. So maski madali siya, lalagyan pa rin natin ng mga directional signs yan. So hopefully this time wala nang maligaw. Madali lang yung course. Run is 1 loop, bike is 2 loops. Yun lang. So it will be pretty obvious, super obvious actually, kung nagkulang ka ng loop sa bike. Kasi gagawin mo 10 kilometers lang and within. Malalaman yan sa timing kasi you will have a very fast bike split. Baka magka-average ka ng 50 kph. So just go straight. Pagdating nyo dito, if you're relatively new, first time mo, just enjoy the ride. Huwag ka muna pumedal kung kaya mo. Recover, make your legs recover. Free wheel ka lang. Enjoy the downhill part. By the way, nabalitaan namin last weekend, dami daw dito nag-race course preview ng Duaman Sprint. Okay, so when you get to this part, turn right here. Ito yung interesting part ng Duaman Sprint because there will be a caution zone. Pwede naman mag-overtake but please be very careful because dun na tayo sa kabilang lane kasi magiging car sharing siya. Okay, so go straight. After turning right, straight lang, you will turn left. Yan, ito na yung caution zone. So when you get to this point, explain lang namin, you will use this lane, ito, yan, instead of this, because this will be for motorists and this will be for bikers. So magma-merge tayo lahat doon, yung in and out. Okay, so caution zone siya, ingat lang, slow down. If you're not for the wind lang naman, just stay on the right. And if you want to overtake, just do so on the left. Pero just be careful na may mga makakasalubong din kay bikers dun sa kabilang lane. Explain ko lang. So diretso lang. So yun, after turning left there, go straight down. Nandito pa rin kayo sa lane na yan. And then you will make another left. Kailangan natin mag-left kasi kulang yung distance natin kung kulangin tayo. Go straight, just a few meters, and then you will make a U-turn. Okay, U-turn tayo. Okay. U-turn here. So nandito tayo. So just imagine may mga pasalubong ka dyan, may mga papunta, tapos may mga pabalik na dito. Hindi tayo pabalik. So caution zone siya talaga. Straight, then you will turn right again and head back to the main road. This is still the caution zone, so ingat lang talaga. As much as we want to get all the roads, syempre we have to share it with the community rin. Hindi naman natin pwede sa COVID lahat, diba? Entrap the residents just because we have an event. Kasi if that so happens, baka hindi na tayo makaulit. So thank you Vermosa for helping us coordinate with the traffic and security. So turn right here. We go straight back. By the way, course na namin, dinesign namin na para in a way spectator friendly siya. Yan, kung may nag-cheer sa inyo, yun, makikita kayo sa bike run. Isa lang yung tatambayan nila na lugar, di sila pakalat-kalat din. Kung gusto nila mag-cheer, manood, papanood ka nila. And then turn right. Ito yung main road. Tapos pabalik na tayo sa Champions Loop. saan kayo papunta na for T2. Yeah, so just go straight here. Kita nyo may mga tumatakbo dyan sa kabilang lane, di ba? Saka mag-U-turn yan dito. U-turn here and then do the second loop. Ito na yung ano, yung main building ng Vermosa Sports Hub. Ayan. So when you get to this point, which is here after ng track oval field area ng Vermosa, when you get to this point, ito na, interesting, explain ko lang, stop tayo dito. So after your first loop, you will go straight there and do another loop. Yung buong in-explain natin, gagawin nyo uli yun one more time, and then pagkatapos yun ng pangalawa, you will turn right here for run number 2. Yan. So i-simulate na natin yung run number 2. Okay, huwag na natin ulitin yung bike course. If you want to see the bike course again, just replay the video. Same lang naman siya. So dito na, straight. Slide right. You will enter the transition area here. Ito yung entry. Dismount dito sa guhit, and then enter ka dyan. Natin ng konti. Yeah. So yan yung entry sa transition area. Rack your bike and then go straight. Punta tayo ulit. Hindi kayo dadaan dito. There's no time na dadaan kayo dito for the run. Daan lang natin for the bike. So after racking your bike, dito na tayo ulit. You will exit here for run number 2. Yan. Okay. Gusto nyo pa ba ulitin natin? Sige, isa pa. Yan. So run number 2 para yan, complete race simulation na. Yan. So run number 2, go straight ulit. Tawid ka dito, and then makikita mo yung mga iba nag-U-turn. Masaya yan. Ang daming pwede manood. Tapos dyan yung U-turn part ng bike, diba? So run number 2, go straight here. Same lang in distance and race course ng run 1. So you will do another 3-kilometer run. And so turn right. Medyo may uphill part to, but hindi naman, kaya ng mga duwamans yan. Okay, do another loop ng run. So, by the way, in Duaman Triple Crown, yan, yung second leg natin will be at Clark. Yan yung full distance, may full and light, and then another one which will be the X2. Yan, we'll be bringing it back. Last race niyan 2014, hindi na inulit kasi nagulat kami, parang super haba ng course pero ang dami pa rin sumali, tapos first timers lahat. Ako, sabi namin masyadong masyado na mahaba for beginners. So ayan, thankfully nakagawa na tayo ng series. Para naman yung mga duathletes, no? Meron sila series that they can call their own. Meron din silang trifecta, which is the Duaman Triple Crown. Ayan, so go straight here, U-turn. Gawin niyo ulit. May aid station tayo doon. Please make sure to hydrate. Ubusin niyo yung tubig namin, ice, lahat ng pwedeng pampalamig to cool you down. dala silang sanga ng puno. Baka sige, try natin kausapin, palagay natin sa run course para may extra puno. Para may extra lilim. Ganyan ka-special yung mga duomans. Nagpapatanim tayo ng mga lilim sa run course. Kaya palagay sa sa walang puno itanim niya. So turn right here again. This part yan yung U-turn dito. U-turn here, so straight na tayo. Tama, magic, mapupunta tayo dun sa kabilang lane. 3, 2, 1 ching. And we're back. Ayan, kita nyo na. Andito na tayo sa U-turn slot. Magic, di ba? So straight na tayo, going to the finish after run number 2. Na. Enjoy it. Natapos nyo na yung race, and you are a duo man. Ito na yung best part ng every race. So the final stretch, make sure pagdating nyo sa finish line, medyo relax na itsura nyo, hindi na stressed. Kung may nakababa yung mga tri-suits nyo, pwede nyo nang i-zip up para yun na, papogian na to. Kunwari nilakad nyo yung buong run course, ito, try nyo nang takbuhin ng konti. Diba? Para pagdating ng mga sa picture, yan, gaganda ng mga pictures nyo. And so just go straight. And then ito na, dito tayo sa lane na yan. If you finish na with the run number 2, so ito tayo dito ulit. This part, instead of tulad sa run number 1, diba? Pagtapos papasok ka dyan sa transition area dito for the bike. If you just finish run number 2, you will head straight here and all the way to the finish line. The finish line will be here. Ayan. Somewhere here, ayusin na lang namin distance, pero nasa kabilang side siya ng road. So tawid na, and then that's it. Yan, dyan yung finish line arc. Lalagay namin may arc dyan. So that's it. You are a duo man. Park muna tayo. So that's it guys. We hope you enjoyed the race course preview. Ginagawa namin to para lahat pagdating ng race day na visualize nyo na and relax na lang. Tatapusin nyo na lang yung karera. That's it. See you at the race. Bye.